Many people start this class never having really heard the term intercultural before. They've heard multicultural, of course, and wonder what intercultural means in relation to that. I'm happy to answer that question. First, let's break down the words. What do the prefixes really mean? Multi means what? Many, right? Okay, if multi means many, we know that multilingual means someone who speaks many languages. Multifaceted is a perspective or issue that has many facets or points. A multiplex is a movie theater that shows many movies. Multicultural, therefore, represents many cultures. Very simple. So what that might look like in a drawing, say each one of these is a culture. There's many cultures all in one place. Many cultures. So we might use the term multicultural to talk about campus. It's a multicultural campus. We have a multicultural student body. Maybe our faculty isn't so multicultural because we're talking about how many are there. Multicultural curriculum is a curriculum that integrates many cultural perspectives. Some people even talk about a multicultural identity. Within themselves, there are many cultures that are represented. We usually don't say a multicultural competence because multicultural doesn't really represent a behavior. So how can you be good at it? It just means there's a lot here or there's not. It doesn't represent behavior or goodness or badness. It just is. Intercultural. Inter means what? Interstate, interpersonal, internet, intercultural. Inter means between. So an interstate is a road that travels between states, ideally, not in Hawaii. But interpersonal is interactions between people. Internet are communications between networks. Intercultural, therefore, is communications between cultures. So it would look like this. Something happening between two bodies. In this case, intercultural is communication or something occurring between two cultures. Usually it can be verbal or nonverbal, but something's going on between those two cultures. We use intercultural when we talk about communication because it is a behavior, and therefore saying intercultural competence is appropriate. So, we use this term intercultural instead of multicultural because we want to go beyond simply who is here, and we want to talk about the behaviors and how we can understand them and change them and affect them for ourselves and for our students.